Looking for a remote throttle control that makes handling your boat smooth and intuitive? Imagine shifting gears forward or reverse with just a simple lever movement, no fuss, no delay. This Yamaha-compatible outboard remote throttle offers exactly that. Effortless control that puts you in command, whether you're cruising or docking. From the moment you engage the lever, the design shines with practical features. Move the lever about 32 degrees from neutral, and the engine shifts seamlessly from idle to acceleration. The smooth forward and reverse action means no jerks or sudden jolts, giving you confidence on the water. Plus, the friction adjustment knob and trim and tilt switch let you fine-tune performance without missing a beat. Durability is built into every inch of this control. The trim harness boasts high-temperature resistance and thermoplastic insulation, with clear color coding for easy installation and maintenance. A 10-core plug connector ensures reliable communication with your engine and tachometer, while the 19.7-inch cord length allows flexible remote placement. This means less hassle and more time enjoying your boat. Safety isn't an afterthought here. The emergency lanyard cord is crafted from premium polyurethane, combining strength with flexibility. Its plastic ring clip easily attaches to the flameout switch, and the metal buckle hook secures to the operator. So if you slip or move away from the helm, the engine cuts off instantly. This thoughtful design adds peace of mind every time you're on the water. What sets this remote throttle apart is its compatibility. Designed specifically for Yamaha outboards, it handles both shift and throttle functions with precision. Whether you're piloting a small yacht or a larger vessel, this control integrates smoothly, making your boat easier to manage and more responsive to your commands. If you've ever struggled with complicated or unreliable throttle controls, this product offers a straightforward solution. It's stable, practical, and comes with all the necessary accessories to get you up and running quickly. Worth a look if you want to save money without sacrificing quality or performance. Ready to upgrade your boating experience with a remote throttle control that delivers smooth operation, durable construction, and reliable safety features? Try this Yamaha-compatible outboard remote throttle when you're ready. It's designed to make your time on the water safer and more enjoyable. Exactly what every boat owner wants.